They're attending school. They are not re-engaging or re-offending on school campus or outside of school campus.
School's going to be done in just a few weeks, and some local students are getting a passing grade on work they've done to possibly save their lives.
Our Julie Frendak got a look at the progress some vulnerable kids and teens have made through the violence intervention program at some Albuquerque schools.
Our goal is to ensure that the needs of these students as well as their families are met so that they're able to focus on school.
Jasmine Desiderio knows students' needs don't end when the final school bell rings. She's the deputy director of Albuquerque Community Safety's Violence Prevention Intervention Division. The school-based violence intervention program is under that umbrella.
We are different because we also work on school campus and able to be there and provide our staff to be available to these students on campus throughout the school day.
They started this school year with 34 kids across 3 high school campuses: West Mesa, Atrisco Heritage Academy, and Robert F. Kennedy Charter School. Between January and April, ACS hired more staff and almost doubled that student number to 66. It focuses on kids who have a high risk of engaging in violent crime.
We use the early warning indicators, but we also get self-referrals as well as working collaboratively with outside agencies that may have potentially be working with those students and able to get them engaged in our program.
They measure success in a few ways, like attendance rates, GPAs, and lack of new offenses. The school year before ACS implemented the VIP program at West Mesa, there were 422 total suspensions. At the end of last year, there were 238. That's about a 32% decrease.
Some of these students are the main breadwinners of their families, and we want to be sure that they have access and able to connect with services or resources in the community so that burden does not fall on them and that they're able to focus on school and able to succeed.
Julie Frendak, KOB4.
Mayor Tim Keller asked the legislature to fund an expansion into all APS high schools during this previous session. That funding did not come through, but ACS says it will still expand to Del Norte High School to start serving students there next school year.